Ayan ang
She
aming
confiscated the first
special na
500.
bisita ngayon namin dito sa aming okasyon na ginanap. Ayan. Nang galing pa ng Australia yan. Oh, pumunta lang dito sa aming ginanap na reunion.
Well,
Yan.
you know,
Yan.
the last night,
Nagkukwentuhan sila.
I'm surprised. There is a, you know, incoming wow.
Oh, ayan ang English na si ano.
2,500, you know.
Oh.
My son is, Papa, give
Which
1,000 give to my son, you know.
which doctor?
Ah,
Adui.
yeah.
Ano yung ginagawa mo?
Good happy. Well, very big happy.
Very good.
Very memorable. Well,
Hindi pinagmarcha nito siya.
very big happy.
Nag-uusap ang magbayaw.
Ah,
Yo.
yeah.
Yan.
Ah.
What
Yan.
your comment?
Minsan lang kasi yung mga yan magkita-kita dito.
Very, very good.
Bihira lang sa ilang taon. Ilang taon bago uli nagpunta dito yung mga
Thank you
yan.
very much to my
Kasama ang
sponsor,
kanyang
my
asawa.
pamangkin,
Ayan.
Lani,
Bilas ko yung ano niya, asawa niya.
Yeah.
To,
What happening?
sit up in, ano mo, ate,
Ano?
magbubus ka kami dalawa.
Sige.
Thank you very much to my pamangkin Lani, Iganino,
Okay.
to sit up in the place. I'm very surprised for me. I'm very proud to happiness the last night until now. I'm very happy. So, congratulations at mas better another again. I'm very happy. How about you, Bayaw? What
Very,
your
very
comment?
happy, very happy.
Ah.
Thank you to your sponsor, to the sponsor.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much, Lani.
Anak ko daw, pinapasalamatan daw niya anak ko. Yan ang sponsor, ang anak ko.
Thank you very much, Lani.
Loy, thank you. Yan.
Bayaw, sinabi ko kayong tatay ni Lani. Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you
Oh,
very
ayan
much.
ang ito ang tatay ni Lani, papa ni Lani. Ayan naman yung kanyang tito. Ayan naman yung ayan, oh, naka-video ito ah. Ito yung ano na namin, parang kamag-anak na rin namin to. Kapatid o ganun. Ayan. Ayan.
Salamat na si Kanuto.
Okay, thank you. Good morning sa
Okay.
lahat ng mga bossing. Oh,
Awanin.
nagawa na naman yung aming vlog dito sa pangyayari. Naka-vlog na naman to.